Flex at 560, turn left on runway 4 left, cross runway 31 left, and hold short of runway 31 center.
Right, left on 4 left, cross 22 or 13 center, flex jet 560.
Flex jet 560 negative, cross runway 31 left, hold short runway 31 center.
Cross 31 left, hold short 31 center, flex jet 560.
That was 769, cross runway 2 to right, 2 to left, take hotel all the way down to the end, left turn onto Tango into Bravo 12.
All right, we'll take, we'll cross the 2 left on hotel, hotel all the way to the end, and hold short to the other way, southwest 769.
Southwest 20.
Southwest 2504 going around.
Flex jet 560, your instructions are to hold short of runway 31 center.
So 2504, one able, turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, southwest 2504.
Flex jet 560, hold right there, sir, don't move.
Hold position 560.
That's Tower Southwest 2504, how'd that happen?